Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the light bulb in the interior of your liftgate on this 2013 Cadillac SRX. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to take this little light out. I'm just going to use a trim tool. We sell this trim tool at 1aauto.com. And on the passenger side, you're just going to slide it in here. And just pry it down. And it'll come out just like that. Disconnect the connector right there. There's a little lock on this. Just push down on that and slide it out. We're going to remove the bulb. We're going to use these pliers that are specially made for removing light bulbs. You can buy these at 1aauto.com. Just slide in here, just grab the bulb, squeeze and pull it out. This is a 194 bulb. To reinstall the bulb, just slide this in position and lock it in place. Now I'm going to reinstall this. Just line it up with the connector, lock it in place. Now this is going to go towards the driver's side, and then you're going to lock it in on the passenger side.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.